So STEM clubs are any kind of extracurricular club that incorporates elements of science, tech, engineering or maths. Running STEM clubs currently is extremely difficult. There are various ways in which you can still run a STEM club currently though.
Hi everyone, it's absolutely amazing to be here with you this afternoon. Thank you so much for coming along. I'm a science teacher, I'm a STEAM lead, I'm a CREST assessor. I'm also director of Amaze Labs, and I really wanted it that we weren't missing out on practical skills, but that it was really simple, safe activities that as a parent myself wouldn't be stressful to a parent, and it was things that you could just take out of the kitchen cupboard and get involved with.
All the sessions are hands-on with as little talk and as few demonstrations from me as possible. As time has progressed, the students have learned to set up their equipment so that we can all see it, and I get each student to talk about what they're doing and do what I can to help if things do not go as expected.
Code Club is one of the largest projects run by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. It's an international network of volunteers and educators who are running free sessions for young people aged 9 to 13. Our aim is very much to inspire the next generation to get really excited about digital making. So, we're not here to kind of create a generation of coders and programmers, but what we'd like to do is give them an opportunity to explore this while they're young, so that it can be an option for them in the future, and it can really put them in good stead for the jobs of the future, for when they do enter the work environment.
I very quickly found that the children involved had bigger and better ideas than I could possibly have come up with, and their passion for environmental issues has inspired me and everyone else around the school and carried this club into what it now is. We've explored what happens to our rubbish and how we can turn it into art instead of throwing it away. We've looked into planting trees. We've done all sorts of bits and pieces, including a very exciting trip to McDonald's to go and see what it is that they do with their rubbish. Apparently that was their favourite. I'm not surprised.
And it was absolutely amazing to see the response. We had people completing these tasks up and down the country, globally, sending pictures and videos to myself. It was absolutely amazing to see that response and the joy that it was bringing as well. Do make sure that you persevere and that you keep going, because sometimes it surprises you which of the sessions prove to be really popular.
I have sessions planned on the Coanda effect, Mobius strips, and the Big Bang, which is the first 380,000 years of the universe in 15 minutes, done using Lego.